Hi, my name is Chad Williams. I'm the CEO of Red Cloud. I'm very pleased and honored to introduce Hubert Parent-Bouchard, Head of Corporate Development for Radisson Mining. I am a shareholder of Radisson, and Red Cloud has done some business with Radisson as well. I have visited the site as well, just for listeners, so you're aware of that. Hubert, please tell us about your company. Tell us about Radisson. Why should investors care about this company?
Radisson is a whole new interpretation of a high-grade gold story within Canada's most prolific mining camp for gold on the Larder Lake Cadillac fault. So that's our story.
So why is the Cadillac Larder fault important?
It's been the host of so many gold deposits. In our district alone, there's been more than 15 mines in operation. There's currently 3 mines in operation, and the district itself has produced more than 21 million ounces of gold. So we hope by bringing our project forward, we're going to be one of those producers sooner than later.
So it's a world-class area, and so you're extremely well located, I guess, if we can use the real estate analogy. But there are lots of companies in the area. Why is your company different?
Our company is different because we're one of the last junior that holds ground on the Larder Lake Cadillac Fault on the side of Quebec. Our neighbors are in the name of IM Gold and Agnico Eagle, so that tells a lot about the real estate.
So you're in the neighborhood of very large mining companies, and you're developing a deposit that hopefully will appeal to them down the road as well.
Yeah, we're currently developing the deposit. Our latest resource estimate was done in 2015. Since then, we've done more than 30,000 meters of drilling with main purpose of increasing those resources. We expect this drilling to have a huge impact on the next resource. 11,000 meters to come during fall, a new resource update. In parallel, we're starting the permitting process for an underground decline, so lots of things going on at the property, so hopefully we get more attention on the story.
But you've also got a lot of exploration news coming, right? You've been drilling very actively, probably the most active drilling on this property for many years, and that news will come and hopefully be a game changer for you, right? I mean, depending on the assays and all that, you need a little bit of luck in this business, but so how many holes and what's the timeline in terms of the news flow?
News flow, investors should expect anything in drill results in September. Lately we've published, in the last 2 years we've published 30 holes. Just to put you in perspective, between April and July we've completed more than 25 drill holes. Okay. 10 of which were exploration drill holes, so looking for gold in different areas on the property. Okay. And the other 15 holes were, the main objective was to increase the resource. So.
Okay, so that's interesting because you're not only targeting the existing resource and solidifying the quality of that resource, the numbers behind that resource, but you're also exploring outside to try to find, let's call it, new deposits or new areas where gold could be mineralized, right?
Exactly. The thing is, by targeting the actual resource, we went through the old core and we saw really interesting things happening in the Pontiac sediments south of our deposit. So we've investigated that part of the property. And through all the historical data compilation we've done, we also identified new target norths in the Cadillac sediments. Okay. So we've dedicated some drilling in those areas as well. So this could bring a lot of upside for the story.
Well, Hubert, thank you very much. It's a pleasure. Thank you very much, everybody who's listened, and we'll catch up when there's news very soon.
Thank you, Chad.
Bye for now.